Hello guys and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Trust wallet to Pancakeswap exchange step by step. First of all, you're going to have to locate your Trust wallet app. Mine is on my home screen. You click on it like so. Whilst you're logging in, you'd be asked to put in your passcode to gain access to the app, which I just did. And you'd go to the bottom right corner of your screen, the D app section, and you'd scroll down to one of the most popular platform for coin exchanges, Pancakeswap. You click on it. You'd give it some time to load in. You'd be given the option to connect your wallet by clicking on the wallet symbol at the top right corner of the screen. At the top right corner of the screen, you'd see connect, and you connect your wallet by clicking the Trust Wallet icon. And that's all, guys. You're connected and you're in. This platform can be used to exchange different coins, and it makes use of different networks that are all available, from the Smart Chain network to the Ethereum Classic and the Tomo Chain network. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in today. If you have any questions regarding how to connect your Trust wallet to Pancakeswap, comment down below.